Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I am so excited to bring you guys another studio vlog. This is actually a really exciting one though, because it is our first studio vlog in my actual small business studio. If you haven't watched my other videos on my channel, you may not know that I got an office for my small business in January. Here we are in Dream Daily's first ever office. It's absolutely insane. Lighting is so good, which is great. It's very small. It's like 100 something square feet. And I'm still setting it up, still making it all decorated and perfect. I absolutely love it. And I also have an intern now as well. So I haven't done a studio vlog with her yet. It is 8 a.m. on a Friday morning. We're going to be working there all day, packaging orders, working on new products. So it's going to be fun, and I want to bring you along. Before I head to the office though, I am going to run down to Starbucks. I can walk to one from my apartment, which is super nice. Run to Starbucks and get some Friday motivation for me and Caroline, my intern. It's also the first sunny day we've had in Nashville in a week. Literally since last weekend, I have not seen the sun, and it's sunny, so it's just gonna be a good Friday, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along. We have our office kitty cat. Hi. Good morning. Come on. Hello. How are you?
Good.
I'm just filming a little TikTok and yay. Smaller, so you can write times all the way down here.
I write the times in the box.
In the box, like how I do it here.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
I had enough room for everything, and I don't think I had too much for anything either.
Okay. Yeah, it's been a good day so far. What time is it? 11 something?
Yeah. We researched some upcoming things.
Yes.
And reached out to some people for some fun things. Being very broad.
you can tell them. You can tell them.
Okay, then we reached out to some podcasts for Hannah, and now we're gonna package orders. And
yes. Yeah. Sorry, it's like kind of loud. We have train tracks right there, so we get all the trains coming by. Yeah. Here we have my two laptops out. I've actually been working on some new designs, updating a few things for our new journal order, and then actually a new product that's very in the early stages, like literally early design stages. But yeah, I've been working on those designs for about an hour and a half. So let's ship now though. We gotta move around a little bit and not be on my computer as much for a second. And go. I guess we can use the other label, like for if we're gonna have two separate TikToks. Mm-hmm. Perfect. I'll flip it over.
Wow.
It's Friday.
those cartoon characters, like the parents that don't have faces.
I know. You're so much taller. Okay. I'm going to be put together this box with here. Okay. Yeah. This tape. And then we'll line it with this bubble wrap.
Okay.
Which you may have to cut down, but yeah, the bottom. Christmas year-round here at the Dream Daily headquarters. I had Caroline look into some things for Etsy, like some pros and cons, because we're like, maybe we'll put our digital products on Etsy. That could be a good way to get found by some new people. She also did some good TikTok research. We're always looking at influencers. We have like an influencer spreadsheet that we add to. And yeah, now we're going to figure out Instagram posts and some other things while we last few hours of the workday. We gotta take these post office. This bag was such a good investment. It's from Holken. All done.
Yay!
Happy Friday! Love the fit today. We really came out to play. Thank you guys so much for watching this studio day in our lives. We hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed Caroline being here.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. We're gonna go home now and have a good weekend. I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you liked it.
Yay!
Bye.